What's going on, guys? I know a lot of you guys like to trade the SPX. I want to go over some quick levels that I am looking at here, both to the long as well as to the short side on the SPX. My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. So currently we're down about 46 handles on the day. 38.49 is the actual price. Now we are making a little bit of a run up. If you guys are a part of my Discord or have any of my courses, you guys know one of the scalping strategies that I like to use is the 20 SMA and using those kind of reversion trades, to kind of cover it in short is anytime we're trading below the 20 SMA and then we kind of reclaim it, like for example here, and then confirm it high. That's when we're going to take our scalp position to the long side. Now you have to be careful on choppy days like today because you can kind of get faked out. So make sure you have enough buying power to kind of make multiple trades. My rule of thumb is that if you are going to take 3 trades in a day and you lose 2, you just need to stop for the day, right? There's always going to be better opportunities the next day or the next week or so forth and so forth. Last thing you want to do is overtrade and kind of wipe yourself out. If we look at this last trade that kind of set up here, we got 2 trades within the last hour that kind of set up. We did have a little bit of a candlestick here that kind of opened up over the 20 SMA, kind of consolidated sideways for 20 minutes and then took it out at 11:05 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Went from a price of around 38.38 all the way up to a high price of 38.44. So again, this is just a scalping strategy. Again, you can hold runners and sometimes it does go in your favor for a lot longer, but normally I'm just looking for, if we're trading the SPX, maybe 3, 4, 5 points, I'm looking to get in and get out. The last setup that we did have here was at 11:45 a.m. That price was 38.35, and currently we are trading at a high price of 38.48. So this is almost a 12-point move here. This is a fantastic trade. This is where I would be scaling some profits. Also be scaling some profits because if you kind of go back to early this morning between 7 and 8 a.m., this was an area of resistance here when we were trading below that 20. Now, the levels that I have marked out kind of for bigger, bigger moves or bigger supply and demand zones is going to be 38.63 to the long side. So what we're going to need to see happen here is break 38.63. We're going to need to close over that and either have a pullback or consolidate sideways and then confirm that close over 38.63. That's where we're going to want to get long. Our next supply zone from there is going to be around 3,900. Our short position is going to remain as stands. It's going to be this line in the sand that we have here at 38.27, which is today's low. Again, if we lose 38.27, what we're going to want to see is a candle close under 38.27. Then we're going to want to see the confirmation candle on the next 5-minute close. So close under 38.27, and then we're looking for the next candle to kind of take out those lows, and that's when we're going to want to get short. Remember, guys, scalping strategy, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, 10 points. That's a fantastic move. Get in, get out. If you can make 20, 25, 30% relatively quickly, we always want to make sure we're taking those profits. But again, these are going to be the levels that are going to be on my screen until next week, and we're going to go ahead and continue to watch these levels. So the 38.63 definitely to the long side, the 38.27 to the short side. Our supply to the top side is 39.08. Now, if we do have some sort of major gap up from the futures market on Sunday, and we are higher than 39.08, we're going to need to get that close and either a pullback to this area, see it hold, and then take the bounce off of it, or wait for the new highs to be confirmed. Again, same thing to the downside. If we open up below 38.27, we're going to need to see it either consolidate and bounce, get rejected at the 38.27, and come back down, and we're going to take that short position, or we're going to need to see the close underneath and then confirm those new lows and then to take it short. Again, our max pain is going to be the 38.27. I hope this video helps. I hope you guys are all staying safe out there. The market hasn't been the easiest to trade. We've been getting a lot of big moves, especially to the downside, followed by a lot of chop. Okay, so make sure you stay patient, make sure you're sized accordingly. Hope to see all of you guys next week. If you guys would like to join the Discord, that link is down in the description box below. Again, my name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com, and I will see you guys on the next video.